Okay, we learn about while, but one of the important options of while is what is it? It's break option. What break option mean? For example, if you remember from our previous lessons that we created, I think the code is here that we created. Let me just open it. I save it here for pasting in the comments. That we created a dictionary project. Okay, let me just copy that and paste it here. It's not going to be copy, I don't know why, but let's copy that. Okay, it's more than we can paste. It's not a problem. It's open into Jupyter. We can use it here. We have this line of code here. Let me just bring it here. When we run it, we have our dictionary program that is running for infinity. You see, for a step in range 1000, it's going to run 1000 times. But what if someone wants to end the program? How we can end the program? We just, for example, create another line and say print end program. The code of this lesson is in the previous project. Last lesson you can use it. It's really good project ending program. Okay. Now we create an if here. An if here. If cmd is equal to end program, just one line of code break. Now what is doing? We start the program and it's running for some time. We can, for example, add a student, like for example number of student 2, Sarah, and 56 as a grade. And for example, Telisa, I don't know if this name is real or not, for example 98. And then we can just say end program. You see the program is running, but when we say end program, the program has ended, but not our for didn't run 1000 times, and it ended because we used our breakpoint. And the breakpoint is very important that you can use it. For example, let's say you create an app and this app want to give, for example, we create an app here and this is an app for x in range, for example 1 million times. It can run infinity, for example ChatGPT, but you want to give your free accounts just 100 time of, let's say, service. What you do, you create an if here in the first and say if x is bigger than 101, okay, and for example let's say we have here the account free, for example, and account equal free more than 100 times, account in free break. Now what is happening? This program is going to run only 400 times for you to see print x. Now it's going to run on the 100 times for a free account, but for premium account it's going to run infinite. Let's say for example it's free 4. You see it's going to run until the end of the code. Okay, I think it's enough about break. We learn a lot about it. Don't forget, if you need anything, you can ask me in the comments. I will answer you. And please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.